Most people open ChatGPT and drop an Excel file and type only two words. Analyze this. Is this right? Would you put the results in front of your manager? I want to see your answer in comments. I'm going to share today the standard set of prompts that I would suggest to use before analyzing any of your data. I will share this set of prompts in the description so that you can use these prompts to analyze your data in the best possible manner. So without wasting our further time, let's jump into the details. Please don't forget to subscribe and share this with your colleagues. So let's review our main sheet of sales. These all are codes, and actually these tell us nothing. This actually means that all the related information is available in the other sheets available in the same workbook. The main sheet only has product ID. The more information about the product is available in the next sheet named product details. Going there, we can get more information related to product, type of product, unit price, and the commission on each product sale. Then we have a transaction type number. It is another sheet which gives us an information whether the purchase is done with the transaction type such as cash transactions, online purchase, or credit card payments. So on the main sheet, we have quantity sold and discount offered. But if I want to know how much total sales is done in terms of dollars, then I have to multiply quantity into number of items sold and also reducing the discount percentage. So to understand more, sales price is not available in the main sheet. So GPT has to look up product ID and go to product details and search for the sales price, and then it can give us the final calculated sales, right? Now let's start. I'm closing the file and dragging the file of the data into ChatGPT chat, but not going to type this time. Analyze this. Because the file like this, I do not want GPT to directly go for insights. I want to understand that it understands the file, so I'm going to give it a short set of rules. Answer in the chat only. Don't create export files unless I ask. Use the master sheet to decode and code where needed. Briefly explain your method before each main analysis. Reconcile the group totals back to the transaction level data. If workbook cannot answer something, tell me instead of guessing. Now inspect the workbook and tell me what sheets are included, how they are connected, and any issues I should know before the detailed analysis. Now while it's thinking, let me give you a professional tip. Don't upload your company sensitive data into ChatGPT until or unless you anonymize it. Basically, you need to stick to your company's AI related guidelines. Don't forget about the hidden sheets. Hidden sheets are also visible to AI tools. Be careful. Make sure to check all the checks given by ChatGPT and perform it manually so that we could understand that GPT is understanding the workbook correctly. There are no formulas in the workbook. Now, how do the sheet connect? Yeah, I think it has picked this correctly. The sales column product num matches with the product code in the product sheet. It looks like the rest are also fine. It's done some reconciliation checks down here and listed a bunch of issues to know before analysis. Bottom line is the workbook is usable for analysis. Now before I dive into the GPT analysis, I just want to make sure that GPT can read the basics correctly. So it looks like that it understands the file and I can go for the detailed analysis from here and onwards. I hope this video will help you to understand how to communicate with the GPTs so that you can perform a manual check so that you could perform a manual check before going for detailed analysis. Thank you so much for your time and have a nice day.